In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI-powered event planning automation in n8n. By the end, you'll have a workflow that gathers event data, analyzes budgets, generates an optimized plan with AI, and shares results with your team automatically. Before you follow along, make sure your Google Sheets, Slack, and email connections are configured in n8n and keep your credentials secure. We'll begin with a webhook trigger. This is what starts the workflow the moment a post request hits your unique URL. It can be called from a form submission, another automation, a scheduling tool, or an event platform. The trigger receives information like the spreadsheet ID and event details and passes that data to the rest of the pipeline. Next, the workflow reads the client brief from Google Sheets. Think of this as the foundation: client name, event type, attendee count, target budget, event date, and the planner's contact. These details shape the AI's recommendations. Then it pulls budget estimates from another Google Sheet. These rows define categories such as catering, venue, equipment, marketing, and other line items with estimated costs. Right after that, it reads actual costs, including real vendor payments, invoices, and final expenses. With both estimates and actuals, we can detect overruns and spot savings opportunities. We also load a vendor database from Sheets. This includes service categories, pricing, ratings, and reliability. Later, the AI will use this to suggest the best fit vendors for the event profile. All of these inputs are merged through a merge node to form one clean data stream. A code node then fuses and prepares the data. It extracts event metadata, calculates total budget, estimated and actual spending, and computes variance and variance percentage by category and overall. The result is a well-structured payload for the AI. The Claude AI core connects to the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model for reasoning, planning, and optimization, and it works hand-in-hand with the AI agent. The agent sends a structured prompt containing client info, budgets, costs, and vendor options. In return, it receives a comprehensive plan, a summary, an optimized timeline, budget recommendations, a task list, vendor suggestions, risk analysis, and expected savings. Another code node parses the AI's JSON output, computes total savings and ROI improvement, assigns a risk score and level, and decides whether to auto-approve if risk is low and savings are positive. The final plan is saved to a Google Sheet named Orchestrated Plans for a permanent record. A Slack message then alerts the team with the event name, approval status, savings estimate, risk level, and a link to the sheet. Lastly, an email delivers the executive report with the approval status, event ID, results, and AI recommendations. That's the complete flow, from trigger to sheets, analysis,